In this video, we are going to see how we can install Informatica Cloud Securation in our Linux machine. So I'm going to my Informatica account. So as you can see, I have created a free trial account. So if you want to create your free trial account, you can go to the Informatica website and click on the start for free. So you will be able to create the free trial account. So you just want to give the basic information here, and you can start your free trial. So once you fill the basic information, and you will be able to get an email. So from there you will be able to log in. So first you want to reset the password, then yeah, you will be able to log in into that. So now we can install the securation. So for that, go to the administrator and click on the runtime environments. So from here you will be able to see an option called download securation. So you want to click on that, and now I'm going to download the secure agent for Linux. So just click on that and make sure to copy the install token. So I'm just copied it, and I'm going to put this install token in my notepad. So once you did that, just click on download. So in my case, I have already downloaded the setup file. So what I will do is, so my file here, so I will just copy this file, and I will put it in my Linux directory. So as you can see here, I have the Ubuntu, and here under home directory, I will just paste the file. Now I will go to the terminal. So as you can see here, I am in the terminal, and when I give a ls, so I am able to see the file that I copied just now. So I will show you the directory where I am currently located. So it's home and reground. So now first thing that we want to do is we want to install this particular file. So in order to do that, first we want to make sure whether this particular file has the right privilege to execute. So let me give a ls-l. So this will, as you can see, this particular file don't have the execute permission. So now we want to go give the execute permission to this particular file. So for that we want to do chmod and 777, which will give the full permission, and we want to give the file name. So now let me give ls-l. As you can see, this particular file has the full privilege. Now let me clear the screen. Now we can go and start installing the agent. So okay, so the first step is we want to give dot slash the file name hyphen I, then console. Okay, so the file name is this. Okay, what I'm going to do is dot slash file name, then space hyphen I space console. As you can see, it started to install the necessary packages. So by default, it will be get installed in your home directory under info agent. So I'm good with this directory, so I'm just going to click on enter, and this is going to consume these many bytes, and I'm okay with that, so I'm going to click on enter. So it started to install, and the installation has been completed. So the first thing is, once we install, we want to start the secure agent, and the secure agent is located in this particular directory. So let me go give ls. Here you can see it created a folder called info agent. So let me navigate to this particular folder, and let me clear the screen first. So now when I give ls, I'm able to see different files and folders. So here we want to navigate to this apps folder. So under apps, we will have a folder called agent core. So we want to go inside this particular folder, and inside this agent core folder we will be able to see some configuration and some shell script files. Okay, so now the first step is we want to start the agent. In order to start it, we want to give a command called infa agent startup. So this will just start the agent. So we can also check the agent status. For that we want to give console agent manager.sh, then get status. So what it will do is it will get the status for us. As we know, we have just installed the agent, we haven't configured it. So first we want to configure it. So for that, what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to give console manager.sh, then configure. Uh, as you can see, we have a file called console manager.sh, and we want to say configure, then space. We want to give the username. Let's say if you are using your Gmail ID, then you can use your Gmail ID. So I'm just going to use my ID where I registered. Then you want to give the access token. So we know we have copied the access token in our notepad. So I'm just going to paste it. Then you can just click on enter. Okay, sorry. So the command will be console agent manager.sh configure token. Then we want to give the username. Then the access token. So as you can see, it says login with token, login succeeded. So now what we can do is we can again get the status of the agent. So it says the agent is running, and now we can navigate here and we can just click on the refresh. So as you can see, I am able to see the agent here. And it is getting started. So there are two services, data integration service and common integration components. So these two services are getting started. So even you will be able to see, get the status from the agent also. So deploying to running 1. So this is how you can install the secure agent. Let's say in some case you want to stop the agent and restart it. So in those cases, what we can do is you can give a command called /infa agent shutdown. So what this will do is it will just shut down the agent. And let's wait for some time. Now you can see both the services are up and running. So I'm just refreshing the status again. Yep, both are up and running. So let's say in some cases you want to restart particular service. You don't want to restart the entire agent. So in that case, you can use this particular agent service start or stop. From here you can choose the appropriate service and stop it. Then once it got stopped, you will have an option to start it again from here itself. So using this, you will be able to start or stop a particular service. If you want to stop the entire secure agent, then you want to go to the back